Okay, so as you can see here, we get a little better look at all these wrinkles that are in here. Yep. See, it looks gross. I'm gonna fix it. It's gonna have a seam here. I'm gonna do 2 pieces, and there'll be a seam about right here. I'll see how good I can get it without really fucking it up. I picked it right here with a pick. You can see it's already starting to come up here. So this has been on there for months. On here. I mean, I just drove it outside a little bit ago, so it was cold. Well, let's see here. All right, it's coming off. You really see the color difference there now. There's the black, original. This is the dirty color. It's dirty, obviously, in the roof. And this is the, see, like right here, you can really tell the fucking difference in the finish. It's actually coming up quite clean. I'll clean it before, obviously, before I put it on there. Right here, that I'm gonna have to, when I open up the door, because it's hooked on the backside where I sealed it, so you can see the little piece there. Cool. That's pretty noisy, isn't it? All right, so I'm done, trimmed, got it all finished on there, and like heated up, cooked it over. As you can see now, it is clearly the same color. There's no difference like it was. Obviously I haven't put my light back on, but I will. The way I did this one, so instead of doing it as a one piece, I'm trying to do it from this way back, which is how I tried to do it the first time. I clearly did it in two pieces. Let's see if we can even see it right there. There's the line. But no wrinkles, no lines. You can't even really see the friggin' there's where it's at. But it's just a little bit of an overlap. It's good though. Looks a lot better than what it did. Same color at least. Now next I gotta do, let's see, because look, you can even see it there, two different colors. But be sure to subscribe for that. That will be coming out soon. Please leave a comment, let me know what you think. God, I'm so glad it's fixed. Oh. But yeah, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe, and click that like button. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crap.